Arize Bistro is a restaurant that was created to bring good food to the community, to Long Beach, and to the people nearby. Everything is fresh here, so rest assured that you will get a good quality food with us. What makes us special is that we are a group of friends and family who love to eat. We just go out and eat all the time, and one of my partners, they've been around the world. So we just try to make sure that we bring it here to the restaurant and try to create a different kind of food for the customer to try. I would recommend the biscuit because we make it fresh every morning, and the fried chicken is like in-house. We use fresh chicken, never frozen. So the chicken is so juicy and tender, and the flavor is a combination of Thai food and American fried chicken. So you get that peppery, salty chicken. If you're here in Long Beach, check us out. A lot of customers who tried us, they came back for more. Come on in, we can't wait to have you here.